Good afternoon, viewers. Today we have with us architect Rita Nayak. Good afternoon, ma'am. It's very good to have you for our interview.
Good afternoon, Flo, and good afternoon, viewers and listeners.
So, viewers, this is the next edition of Thoughtful Leaders. I'm going to quickly say something about architect Rita Nayak. She has done her master's in architect in urban and regional planning, with over 25 years of working experience in architecture and construction industry. She did her graduation in the year 1992 from LS Raheja School of Architecture and Masters Union in Urban and Regional Planning from Rachna Sansad Institute in year 2015, Mumbai. Thereafter, she has worked on urban aspects like community-based public spaces and slum mapping with teaching experience over 3 years. She has been enthusiastically contributing in architectural design for senior classes as well as contributing as research guide and mentor for final year students till date. Her recent participation in workshop on relearning public space held at Amsterdam 2018, along with her IHS certificate course on affordable housing at Rotterdam, Netherlands 2018, has added additional expertise to her experience. It's a very honor to have you, ma'am, for our interview.
My pleasure.
Ma'am, so we'll start with questions one by one. Uh, a, a very simple question. Being the principal of Aditya College of Architecture, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
My approach has always been to lead by example and inspire my colleagues and students to strive to a similar set of standards. Of course, there are multiple roads to excellence, so my approach leans towards enabling the students and colleagues with the necessary tools to navigate challenges within their fields and chart their own paths to success. The main incentive given to my students is the development of their innate abilities, which can be channelized to bring forth the best version of themselves. Thus, when the faculty teaches the subject, they show students new roads to self development and thus nurture a fresh approach to the process of knowledge transfer. At the same time, we also provide our faculty members with facilities for research, experiment, and implement contemporary learning tools and grow as individuals in their profession with the best of infrastructure.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can we move to the next question?
Yes, please.
You have an elaborate experience in the education industry. What are the factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
The length of my experience of 27 years now in this field is a significant factor in my understanding of the learner's psyche. This has enabled me to go on and experiment with new and refreshing ways of approaching the same subjects. The way a student reacts to every new approach or teaching aid is a fascinating thing. To become a capable enabler who can handle the demands of this day and age while catering to the ever changing mindset of the future generations is a challenge which I'm always ready to embrace. This constantly changing goalpost is my connecting point to the educating sector.
Thank
You
you,
can
ma'am.
go on the next one, please. Yeah.
Thank you for your answer. Um, Considering the COVID situation also, or in general, what are some of the biggest challenges you see, both for higher education in general and specifically for Aditya College of Architecture?
Enrollment of 2 year. Quality in higher education is a multi-dimensional, multi-level and a dynamic concept. Ensuring quality in higher education is among the foremost challenges being faced in India today. However, government is continuously focusing on the quality education. There is an inadequate focus on research in higher education institutes. At Aditya, is we are making a very hard working towards achieving our self-established goals. you know, difficult with so many challenges around it. But we are trying to insert research culture in routine curriculum.
Thank you, ma'am. Uh, what are some plans that you are currently designing for the institute student?
We have established research cell wherein we are seeking active involvement from students for social projects for better exposure and responsible attitude, which value adds to their overall growth. We are actively even working with students for strengthening their portfolios and have established a placement committee for helping students secure their opportunity for the internships and final placement.
Coming to the next question, how does Aditya College of Architecture ensure the best practices of the industry?
So our vision is to impart practical and immutable skills at Aditya College of Architecture. The students are taken out for field trips, multiple hands-on workshops are organized, and industry experts are invited every week to come and share their experience with students about their professional expertise. Many experts are invited as visiting faculty members to gain from their exposure, and one-to-one sessions are organized between our students and design chairs who are again esteemed architects from the industry.
As private universities continue to mushroom across the country, how does your institute stand apart from others?
Qualified and motivated faculty who are aspired to impart knowledge to the best of their capability to the students, good infrastructure, which we already have, focus on overall development of the students, and which helps us maintain our position as rising academic institution. At Aditya College of Architecture, we also impart multifaceted architectural education driven by social and environmental sensitivity and mold our students into responsible and ethical professionals when they move out from here.
Thank you, ma'am. Uh, in your expertise opinion, what comparison can you draw in the employability scenario of architects pre and post COVID times? To tackle the post COVID world, what skills do you plan to impart to the budding architects of your institute?
Though overall profession, like many other fields, has been hit adversely, we know that architecture is a parent stream, okay, and shall be stable sooner. We are motivating our students to adapt to latest technology and upgrade themselves and software in architecture to make them future ready for for the post COVID world. We are also focusing on time management skills with students to make them respect work life balance for a happier future.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. What do you think should be the institute's top priority over the next 10 years?
We at Aditya College of Architecture are committed to our core values of agility, integrity, and innovation. We work proactively with our students to achieve our institutional objectives and goals. The focus is obviously harmonizing the relevance of architectural values with the current and future trends in terms of construction practices, demographic changes, changes in cultural outlooks, and environmental shocks, which I'm sure will be more frequent in near future. Though the value of architects cannot really be undermined at the present scenario, being future ready is an obvious goal. We at Aditya College aspire not only to maintain the relevance of this field, but also to diversify its applicability and to enhance the reputation of the institute as a premier center for architectural excellence.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, concluding the interview with one final question. What
Yes.
are your suggestions to the students, who are looking forward to joining Aditya College of Architecture?
Rather than taking this COVID situation as an obstruction on your way to success, take it as an opportunity and a learning. So sit back, relax, and prepare yourself for when the time is right. Build capacity, train yourselves, learn your skills, read a lot, and groom yourselves.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much for your interview and thank you so much for your precious time.
My pleasure.
It was definitely very good insights for the students as well. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.